In this video, I will show you how to go $100 to $500. This account is real account, and this is going to be just with synthetic indices. If you want to use the broker that I'm using, just check the description of this video or check the comment section. I'll pin the link there, and you can start with as low as $1. Yes, $1 you can start. All right, so as you get to see, this is flip 1x, and I've drawn about my trend lines. These black lines are called trend lines. Okay, so the one at the bottom is like the support, the one at the top is what the resistance. So I'm expecting this market to skyrocket to the upside. All right, so you can see from the stochastic, if you have not watched the video for the strategy which I'm using, make sure you just watch that. I'll leave the link in the description. So I'm expecting the price to drop down to the 20 level again. From that 20 level, it's going to spike up to the 80 level. Okay, so far let's see how this is going to play out. Okay, this market is definitely going to buy, and this is very beginner friendly, and this strategy works with indices very well. All right, it works with crypto forex, but it also works with indices like very well. So what we are going to do is, like, let's see what's going to happen. I'm expecting the price to skyrocket all the way up to that particular yellow zone. Okay, I'm not going to wait for the price to reach there, but let's see how it's going to happen. This account is real account, so let's see what's going to happen next.
A few moments later.
Boom, guys, so our $100 is currently $223. All right, this account is still real account. You get to see transparency to the core. So let's see what happens. I told you, like, this market is going to buy, right? So the market dropped down a little, and after which we just have like this massive spike. So this is the 4-hour time frame. All right, I'm still expecting the market to move all the way to that particular black line where the arrow is pointing. Then we are going to have a little bit of pullback. The market is going to reverse a little. Then you now have the spike all the way to the moon. Trading is like not difficult. It has to just deal with how disciplined you are. Okay, so what we are going to do is, like, we close all our trades, and what we look for another opportunity to take this our $100 to $500 as mentioned in this video. Just trust the process. This account is real, so let's look for another opportunity. So guys, our current balance is $221. This is a real account. Okay, so let's look for another opportunity again. So now you see, like, the price is dropping down. Okay, price is currently at the demand level, so let's draw the demand level so you get to see. And also you pick up, like, there's a divergence here. Whenever there's a divergence, you want to, like, look for buy opportunities. So you just draw your zone. Make sure you don't use like this horizontal line. Make sure you use the zones. Okay, this helps you to avoid fake breakouts. All right, which means, like, you will not just see ordinary breakouts and think like, this is a breakout, then you just jump in. You are going to lose all your money. When you open the charts, you identify the market structure and also draw your trend line. It helps you to know the direction of the market. So I'm expecting this one. All right, so I'm expecting the price to reach this trend line, then at the end of the day it's going to spike up again. So what we are going to do is, like, we are just going to enter some few positions. Okay, so let's increase our lot size a little. So this is FX volume 40. It's a little bit volatile. I recommend flip 1 compared to this one, of volume 20 compared to this one if you are a beginner. Okay, I have a complete playlist about this particular broker. Just check my playlist, then you'll be able to know. So let's open some few positions as well, and let's see how this is going to turn out. If we can take this 200 to 300, then it's going to be nice. Probably with 4 to 5 trades, then we'll be able to reach our target. It is possible to take with one trade, but we want to go slowly. All right, so let's see this one. This is our demand. All right, most of the time you call it the support area. You are also correct. So now you have entered some few positions. You don't want to go full margin. Okay, let's just see what is going to now happen from.
A few moments later.
Boom, guys, we have done it again, right? Our $200 is now $300, running in profits, right? So I told you, like, this is going to skyrocket. All right, this is just going to skyrocket. You more especially when you draw the trend line, when you have your confirmation from the higher time frame, that is the 4-hour, the 1 hour, all right, and more higher time frame. So we are currently making $95 in just this trade setup, which I believe is, like, pretty good. I'm expecting this to even skyrocket more. So this account is real account. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to close this. Now our balance is 314. So we have some few more to go to reach our target. So let's look for another opportunity again. So I saw another opportunity again. So let's try to check this our account balance. You can clearly see what a divergence here. Okay, you can clearly see the market drop again. Right, it has tested this zone a couple of times. So we are expecting the market to what just expect that particular area, and more especially when you have divergence as what confirmation. So this one is like very clear. Okay, so what we are going to do is like we are going to look for buy opportunities. Okay, we are going to look for buy opportunities. You might be saying this is a downtrend. Yes, you are correct, but now price that key level. So what you want to do is like what you just make use of that particular stop. The trend is always your friend. Okay, so this is not going to be like a long trade. We are just going to enter for scalp and we are good to go. So let's just open some few positions and we get to see how things tend to go. This pair is very volatile. It's not like beginner friendly. I will not recommend this one. Okay, so I'll do more videos about this particular broker, the pairs that are recommendable, and we are going to take like $10. Let's say you have like $1 or $5. I'll also do a video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on your bell notification icon on for more content like this. So we are expecting the price to skyrocket all the way to break that black line. If it breaks the black line, then it's going to just move to the upside full margin. Okay, we'll just go full margin, but we are not going to hold on to that long at all. So I'm expecting if price break that black line, this one, then it's going to bounce. Otherwise it's going to what reverse back. So what's going to happen is like let's give this time for this one to what play out. This account is still real account, fam.
A few moments later.
Okay, fam. So our trade is currently in $86 profit, which takes our account to $400. Okay, which takes our account to $400. So let's see what happened on the chart. The market just skyrocketed to the upside, just like as analyzed. You are seeing like this rejection candle. So we are expecting price to reach that particular horizontal line. If it breaks, then you know what's going to happen, right? I'm expecting like it to break, all right? Although we might get a little bit of pullback. Most beginners will just be scared and close, but now it is just like normal. All right, that's the essence of technical analysis. You use what historical data, what has happened in the past, to predict where the market is heading towards. So this is like our trade currently. So what we are going to do is like we are going to close. I always like showing like you guys like this account is real for you to know like this is possible. I know there are a lot of scammers out there, but just know like it is possible. What you need is what the right knowledge, and the right knowledge is what JS is here to offer to you guys. We also offer online mentorship and face-to-face mentorship. You can send me a message by Instagram at Joseph Concept, and also join our Telegram group. Link is in the description of this video as well. All right, so let's just see. You see there was just this spike. All right, aggressive spike to the upside, and I'm expecting like this to continue to what pump up. If you look at the stochastic, you can see double bottom, right? Double bottom, which is like very good sign like the market is going to keep buying. Okay, I just want the price to break this particular zone where you are seeing this yellow line and yellow rectangle, then you are good to go. As long as it breaks there, trust me, you map out key levels from one point to another point. So if it breaks, I'm expecting it to go to the second rectangle. From there, it goes to the third one. Okay, as long as it breaks. That's what you should be doing. You should be just confident with your setup. No pressure at all. You just like chill. All right, forget about what others are saying and what others are doing. You do your own craft. You are unique in your own way. All right, that's the only way you get to what make profits. Just be confident. You're never going to win all trades, but at least you know you have what a system that works in place. All strategy do work. All right, so our profit is currently $97. So we are supposed to close this trade. So we just take one more trade setup and we can reach our target. I can easily like hold on to this and we reach our $500 target, but I just want to grow the account for you guys to know like you have to go easy. Even as a professional, I'm taking what step by step. All right, so you also as a beginner or intermediate trader, you have to what go easy. So if it is possible for me to take what my $100 to 500, just it is also possible for me to take what my 1k to 5k. I have done that. You can check the channel. You get to see a lot of videos like that here, but I'm just focused on beginners. That's why I tend to do like low rates these days. So our balance is 401, which I think is good. So I think we should close this trade for now, right? We should just close this trade. We should just be confident. So now, why are we going to close this trade? You see, there's divergence. All right, there's divergence. So let's close all. So make sure you watch the divergence video if you have not watched. Like, it's going to help you out a lot. Divergence is not a strategy. It's just what another additional confirmation. Just like you have your support and resistance, you have trend lines, patterns, chart pattern, candlestick pattern. So divergence is also going to be a good confirmation for you. Okay, I'll do more videos on that. Make sure you subscribe and you send me a private message via Instagram at Joseph Say Concept, or you go to Facebook as well. All right, you can also join our Telegram community. So let's close this trade. We are making $100 profit, so we are good to go, right? So with one more trade, I'm sure we'll be able to take this 400 to 500. All right, fam, let's do this. All right, so it's about time we take this 400 to $500 and we get this stuff done with. The video is a little bit long, right? We need to finish up with this particular video. So now, as you are seeing, this is what a downtrend. You are seeing lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Which identify a downtrend. But now you are seeing like price is currently at this demand level, or we say the support level. Okay, you might be observing like this guy goes more in for buy than sell, like. You just have to like exercise patience. That's where I tend to meet the price. So flip X2 also is also nice, and the flip pairs, flip 1, flip 2, flip 3 are beginner friendly. Okay, you just have to use this minimum lot size 0.01. Don't use big lot sizes when trading. So this is my support and this is my resistance. Okay, at the top is my resistance. So I'm expecting price to react to this particular support level. I'm expecting price. And why? Because there is divergence. When there is divergence and price is at key level, you know, like, yeah, it is what a very good confirmation. So let's just open some few positions. Let's test the waters. Then after which we can just go in full margin, baba. It's just fun. Like doing videos like this just makes me happy. All right. So let's just open some few positions. Just some few positions. Don't try this at home. Okay, it is very risky. Trust me. Don't try this at home at all. It is risky, so just go easy. So this broker offers you demo account. You can use the demo account to practice so you understand the platform, what the videos that I've arranged already about these brokers. All the brokers that I'm using 3. I have videos for them. Just check the link in the description of this video. Okay, so if price breaks this black line, then it's going to just skyrocket to the moon, baba. Doing videos like this, trust me, makes me happy. So this is skill account. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Done deal, guys. We are done. All right, we have reached our target, our $500 target with just 5 trades. Okay, from $100 we are making profit. $100. Now our account balance is what? $500. This is how you take your $100 to $500. This is how you take your $1,000 to $5,000. So we have closed our trade. Okay, we have closed our trade. So this is how you go. You see, price just skyrockets and it breaks what? That particular black line. Okay, so it's going to continue to pump to the upside. If the candle completely close, okay, if it closes completely above the black line, which means it's going to, but it might like spike like this and later what? Reverse again. All right, stay blessed, fam. I'm Joseph.